There's a new development when it comes to growing sweet potatoes at home, and we got to talk about it. You see, gardeners have been growing ornamental sweet potato vine plants for many, many years because they're one of the easiest plants that you can put in your garden. They're heat tolerant, they're fast growing, and just all around a great plant for landscaping. But the ornamental sweet potatoes, they were just that. They were ornamental. Even though sometimes they will produce tubers, they were not good for eating. That is, until now. There is now a new line of sweet potato plants that are both ornamental but also edible. And it's called the Treasure Island series of sweet potato plants. And there are a few different ones. We were able to get our hands on two varieties this year, but they produce a beautiful and fast growing plant in the landscape that has edible foliage. Not bad, actually, very mild. And at the end of the season, you can actually dig up the tubers and they're going to be delicious sweet potatoes. And each one has a little bit different flavor. So these two varieties are similar, but a little bit different. So this one here is called Kakura, and it has a heart-shaped leaf. Starts off lime green and then fades to this dark purple. And the undersides of the leaves are kind of a lighter purple, more intense purple. And this one's called Tatakoto, very similar in color, but the leaf shape is almost like a more of a maple leaf shape instead of a heart. So this is something you may want to be on the lookout for in your local nurseries to see if they have any of these varieties, because it's really cool. And if you can't find them this year, in the coming years, they're going to be more and more widespread.